Welcome back to the channel. Austin here. This is a very interesting thing that I'm about to show you, and nobody is talking about this. And this is something that proves a point that I've been talking about on my channel now for a while. So we're going to get into this. This is breaking crypto news, in my opinion. I love the word breaking crypto news. Things are, it's always breaking, right? And it's Bitcoin news. It's all of the above. So let's get into this. Please hit that like button below and smash the subscribe button. How can you smash the subscribe button? You know what I'm talking about. Okay, I got to give Miles credit. Okay, he is completely, in my opinion, getting credit for this video. Okay, so what he's talking about here, and I'm gonna read this. Retail money is not even back into Bitcoin, and it's still pushing towards all-time highs. Okay, so retail money is you and I, individual investors. Okay, this run that we're in right now, Miles says, is being fueled by institutional money. I agree. I've been talking about this. Okay, this is where it gets interesting. YouTube views, and he's talking about YouTube views on crypto channels, and I'm going to give you some very interesting data here, okay, to prove a point. Which YouTube views, which are the strongest retail indicator, I agree, are actually lower than they were in 2022 during the bear market. Imagine what happens once they return. Okay, so I'm going to show you this chart. Okay, so here's what you need to look at. So you see on the bottom here that you've got dates. Yeah, my light just went out again. All right, you've got dates: January, July, January 22. But see how in rolling into January 21, see how that just massively went up. And these are all the different channels right here down below. And what you need to see is obviously the velocity of channel views. Okay. And see how they spiked in from January 21 into July, and also into the fourth quarter of January, into the fourth quarter of 2021, and then into 22. And then they started going down all the way to now, where they've kind of leveled out, over here on the right. Okay. So this is what's interesting about this. I started my channel in April of 2021. And when I started, I had grown to 5,000 subscribers. By the end of the year 2021, I had grown to 190,000 subscribers. Again, in line and proving the point of this, right? Of the chart showing that in January, it started ramping up. I came into it in April, and then it basically started dying down at the end of 21. Okay, this is retail investor interest. This is people going onto YouTube and looking for YouTube on YouTube for crypto related news, because that's where retail money goes for crypto content, right? You go and you watch your favorite YouTube crypto guy. Hopefully I'm one of them. Subscribe below. But that's a really great gauge of retail crypto interest. And we've been in this kind of trough, if you will, this scenario here for the last 2 years, because remember in 2022, all the way into 2023, we had this really pretty long sustained bear market. We had, all of the inflation and the Federal Reserve and all that junk, right? And so the interest went really, really low. And, to kind of give you some perspective, from the beginning of 2022 until now, I've only grown the channel about 50,000 subscribers, and yet I've been creating content every day. My point is that that's, again, a good gauge of retail interest. And again, per Miles, I want to go back to Miles and give him credit. He's talking about the fact that this run right now that we're seeing with crypto, where crypto has gone from, gone up, dramatically, right? Where Bitcoin's gone from 42,000 to 52,000, everything else is up 17% and so forth and so on. This is institutional money, a lot of it. Is there some retail? Yes, but the massive bulk of retail money is not here yet. People are not quite engaged yet. They don't really believe it yet. I'm talking about the retail investor. This is good news. This means that there is trillions of dollars being held and controlled by individual retail investors across the entire globe, waiting to come back into crypto. And they are starting to gradually, kind of come in, right? And they're starting to come in. I just wanted to show this to you because I think this is really, really, really important. Okay, so let me give you some even more value for stopping by. I wanted to show you this. Look, VeChain just spiked dramatically. This is VeChain, And I want to show you something. This is my software right here that gave a buy alert. To give you some perspective, here to here, this was 39 days at 47% up. Okay. So again, $1,000 in would have made you a profit of $474. Can't talk today. There was a sell alert, but then look at this buy alert. I want to see this buy alert came in, and then about 12 hours, this buy alert came in a couple of days before it. Like VeChain just has spiked up. And now we're looking at a 63+% up. If you're interested in my software's links in the description below, it'll give you guidance and know when to buy and when to sell. This is it working for Avalanche. You can see right here. So you see like going back on Avalanche right there to there. That's a 317% up. 1,000 in would have made you a profit of over $3,000. Then we had a buy alert here. This buy alert from there to there is already a 30% move up. This is Chainlink, just again, kind of proving a point. Okay. Right here to here is 112% up. And then the buy alert came in right here, and now we're up another 35%. So the software gives you insight knowing when to buy and when to sell any and all cryptos, helps you make more money, helps you reduce losses. Okay, so there's a link in the description below to this page. There's a 30-day money back refund guarantee. So you basically get 30 days to test it. And if you don't like it, you get your money back effectively for free, right? Okay, so there's a discount code down there as well. The quarterly option is the best option if you want to check it out. It's a discount code that use it after you've bought and came on board. This is the thank you page. There's like 8 videos that walk you through every single thing you need to do to get up and running. The videos are there. I'm having trouble with my internet this morning. There they are. And they're there for you, so you can be up and running in less than 10 minutes. Okay, so check that out. And then last but not least, there's a link down there as well to Margex, one of the best trading platforms out there. You get a 20% deposit referral bonus if you use my referral link below. They do have leverage if you care about that. Great trading platform. This is where I do a lot of my own trading as well. Links in the description below. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you. Bye.